Okay, sports fans, I'm going to do something a little different tonight. You know, the last several weeks or so, we've always been talking about tanks, or trucks. And tonight we're going to do something different. So, it's still going to be sponsored by Dots Pretzels, but I don't have any Diet Mountain Dew here. It's all upstairs and it's warm, so we'll just have to have some pretzels here any longer. Besides, it's not going to go very good with what I need to do, so maybe I won't even eat some pretzels, but I love Dots Pretzels still. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I used to be a guitar player. Not a great one, but good enough, you know, to make a living at it for a while. So I ordered something the other day off of the web called the Positive Grid Spark. And I thought we'd do an unboxing of a Spark. So this is what it came in a big box, just like a tank box. In fact, my daughter and my wife thought I got another tank. Well, I didn't. I got a new guitar amplifier, which I need a new guitar amplifier like I need a hole in the head. I got a bunch of guitar amps and guitars and stuff like that. So, but tonight, this is supposed to be something kind of cool. So we're going to unbox a Positive Grid Spark. This is what we're looking at, a Spark 40. It's supposed to have a whole bunch of applications. It acts like a regular amplifier, plus I use some Positive Grid software in my recording studio, which is really good stuff for guitars. You're supposed to be able to access a tone cloud, which has over 10,000 sounds. See right here, 10,000 tones. Bluetooth streaming, USB audio interface. What I'm hoping, if I can get some decent sounds on this, I can plug this straight into my DAW and record my guitar straight out of this, and then I don't have to go through some of the other stuff. So anyway, got a bunch of stuff here that I don't know if I'll use, but never know. So let's see what we got. Voice commands. Oh my heck.
I've been looking the wrong places. There's nowhere I can go. I've been searching the wrong places.
Because I've been I've been playing in a little neighborhood group called Curbside Park, and we're mediocre, but that's pretty fun at 67 years old to be in a band still. It's not really a band, it's just like neighborhood people getting together and jamming. Oh wow, it looks like it's really well made. I like well made stuff. So what I don't like is I paid a little bit extra money to get a carrying case with this Spark, and it does not have a carrying case, and I wonder if it comes in a separate box or something, and I haven't seen another box that it came with. So anyway, that's what it looks like so far. So it's supposed to have, I'm spitting all over it, look at that, crap. It's supposed to have two 8-inch speakers, and it's supposed to be 40 watts. Now, my Marshall DSL 40CR, which is sitting over there, is 40 watts, and I played it on the 20 watt mode. It has a half power mode, and I usually just play it at the 20 watt mode. So if this got 40 watts and it's anywhere near the volume of that Marshall, this thing will kick ass, and it's so little. It's just a little tiny baby amp. Here is a little side carton. So before I swear at it too much and ask Positive where the hell my stuff is, maybe it's all right here. What do you think? Oh, okay. Got power cord. Those are always handy. Power supply and a USB cable. But since my amplifier is down at my office right now, because I'm downloading a new CAD software, which is going to take about 8 hours or 9 hours, I just left it going and hope it doesn't blow up there tonight. So anyway, we can plug it in with this. I guess this is supposed to run Oh, here's kind of the startup. Here's the destructions. Spark 40. Okay, it's right there. Okay, looks like it's pretty darn straightforward. It looks like an amplifier. I can't play it very loud tonight because it's after midnight, but we will turn it on a little bit. There's headphones. Oh, maybe we could run the headphones. That'd be cool. Anyway, it's got presets. The big thing about this is it's supposed to have all this Bluetooth and interconnectivity with the web or internet, so that's supposed to be cool. Oh, I got some sound. Oh, I got some delay there. Have that kind of low. I think it's in stereo. Now, why is the reverb on? I like it, but why is it on? It should be off. Okay, it's off now. How you get to turn things off is just by doing that. So that's like a chorusing. I'm just spitting these pretzels all over. I'm missing some bottom teeth. I'm getting them fixed. But until the meantime, I don't know, sounds okay so far. Great reverb, listen to this reverb. It's in stereo. I'm sitting here and I hear it all around. Then we got delay, and I hit the delay mode, and I hit the tap. See, there's the tap. Put a little stereo chorus in there. Whoops. I'm nervous. Okay, that's kind of cool. Turn all this stuff down. Let's go to the, that's clean. Now we go to glassy. I love glassy sound. That sounds okay. Here's crunch. High gain. That sounds kind of like my Marshall there, doesn't it? I'm liking the sound of this. I like the high gain. Now we turn some reverb in on it. Turn it up a little bit. Wow, that reverb is great. Turn delay in it so we have a lead. I ain't playing with that shit tonight. We turn the gain up a little more. Let's see what we get. It sounds pretty damn good, you know, from what I can tell. Notice how the clean sounds. Pretty cool. Now it got presets, so I can do all sorts of presets on here, but I'm not going to mess around with that shit tonight. I'm really not. What I just want to see, I'm more interested in the clean sounds. Because if you got clean sounds and some crunch, and I'm not one to download a bunch of stuff off the web. I mean, I've got probably 6,000 sounds that I can download off of the web. But if this will plug straight into my DAW, that's my digital audio workstation, and I can get the sounds that I'm getting here, I'll use this as my main guitar preamplifier. Because right now I'm getting like my Marshall sounds, and that's really all I worry about. I mean, we can do delay and reverb up the wazoo. Listen to this. Guys, quit making fun of my guitar playing. I'm 67 years old. Haven't had a Percocet for a day. So just leave me alone. Oh, wow. Some psychedelic shit. Yes, we can. Let's back everything off a little bit, get some. Anyway, so far my first impressions, without going to all the tone cloud, just classy sounds. Enough. I'm going to sit and screw around with this thing for a while. You guys can go pound sand or whatever you want to do. Remember, Dutch pretzels and Diet Mountain Dew. Talk to you later. This has been fun. I am going to be up all night. I'm going to put the headphones on and freak out. Have fun, guys. Subscribe, damn it. Bye.